Discover how to enable the touch keyboard and handwriting panel services with our easy to follow tutorial. Whether you are using a touchscreen device or want to explore the convenience of digital handwriting, we have got the steps to activate these features on your Windows 11 or 10 system. To enable touch keyboard and handwriting panel service in Windows 11 or 10, Step 1. Open the Run dialog by pressing Windows plus R on your keyboard. Step 2. Type services.msc and press enter to open the services window. Step 3. In the services window, scroll down to find touch keyboard and handwriting panel service. Step 4. Double click on it to open the properties window. Step 5. In the properties window, set the startup type to automatic. Step 6. Click on the start button to start the service immediately. Step 7. Click apply and then OK to save the changes. This enables the touch keyboard and handwriting panel service on your Windows 11 or 10 system.